Alright, para manalo kayo ng load. Alright, eto na! Ikaw mag-introduce ito.
Sige.
Para
Okay.
pabigyan natin ng konting background bago tayo magbigay ng patalastas.
Okay, it's my pleasure to introduce our special guest dahil isa rin itong taga Sacred Heart School.
Yan.
Yan. Hindi nga lang kami nagkaabot dahil mas bata ako sa kanya. He's from Sacred Heart. He's a musician. And nag-host din ata to sa isang radio station, right?
Radio station.
Yun, kaya maganda yung boses mo. Maganda yung talaga pag maya-maya, pag manali yung kanta. Yun, sige. It's my pleasure to welcome our guest. No other than Kojak, Antig. Yes. Yan, nakita niyo na, ha?
Hindi ng guest namin today.
Yes.
Oh,
So, pare, kumusta?
Okay lang. Pwede ako mag-waray.
Mag-Tagalog
Tagalog
na.
ka, para sa mga fans mo sa
Oo.
Manila.
Pwede rin mag-Bisaya.
Oo.
Tayo, sige.
Mayong
Mga taga Cebu, mga Bisaya, mayong udto sa inyong tanan.
Nice.
Alright.
Ano?
So bigyan mo sila para sa mga medyo new generation, hindi nakakilala sa'yo. Sir, pakilala ka muna. Mga konting background lang.
Kojak na lang. Kojak lang.
Kojak, sige. Konting background muna.
Konting background.
Born and raised?
Born and raised, Tacloban City. And then studied in Sacred Heart and actually graduated in Progressive.
Oh.
Okay. And then college. Dito may Burgos, may eskwelahan din ang upat ka 4 pillars na busagit koan. Dahil ako dito ako nag-college. And then also nag-Manila din ako. Ama, may Marikina area. Marikina area, and then balik Tacloban. Kay
Babalik ka din, no?
Iba-ibang music scene. And then
Yun, so, for a background kay Kojak. Ako din from Sacred Heart. Pero yung Sacred Heart was not known nung panahon ko pa nun. Siyempre nakakatanda ako sa was not known really for bands. Or saka yung...
conservative.
Yeah, medyo conservative because it's a parang Chinese school run by priests.
Priest.
Catholic priest. Tapos, okay naman. We marami kami natutunan din doon. Especially Chinese. Pero, yun na nga, we were not that exposed to yung mga cultural.
No.
Sometimes meron konti, pero not that really. Pero when I was siguro in high school, yung si Father John, I mentioned.
6-foot priest.
Yeah, the 6-footer priest. Ang dalawa yun si Father John at saka si
Holy.
Si Polly.
Holy.
Sa PBA.
Oh, yun. Doon, kahit hindi known yung Sacred Heart for yung mga talents na singing or meron din doon mga estudyante talaga na yung may mga hidden talents. Sabihin na lang natin.
Kaya as a matter of fact, before, I think also in your time, there is a room, there's a piano.
Yeah.
So there's a music lesson talaga before. But it was on the sides. Parang ano lang ba?
Oh, not that really na yung mga...
Focus
yung,
na really the
yeah.
focus.
Kami doon, meron music din.
Yeah,
Yung si Sartaguda, Mrs. Sartaguda. Siya yung kaklase ko, si Luis, yung mother niya. Magaling ang piano. I remember that siya yung... Tapos meron din choir.
Yes.
Yeah, may mga choir. I started out sa choir.
Ganyan.
Pero si Sister Joanne yung atay nag-audition ng mga unfortunately hindi ako nakuha. Pero it's another story, but this is Kojak time. So pag-alis ko ng Sacred Heart, wala pang bands yun na talagang naririnig mo na. Tapos nung nandun ako sa Manila, doon ko na narinig na may bandang galing Sacred Heart. Sabi ko, ha? Talaga? Sino? So, yun nga, na-mentions, ikaw nga pare, pakikwento kung sino-sino yung mga banda na, mga taga-Sacred Heart na nagbanda.
That was, sila
When you were in high school, may banda na, yun. Or after high school.
When we were in high school,
Yun, sige.
sila Coins Ramirez, Hulkog, Doors.
Si Doors, so
It's
yun.
part of it, si Doors. So, those times, nakikita namin sila. But then, I was really into playing guitars. Grade 6 pa ako. That's the time I started playing guitars. Because my uncle is also in the band, which so happened to be in Sacred Heart. They were doing Beatles. And then the guitar is always in the house. Nakikita ko yung gitara. And then, I played for it a while. But actually, parang gusto ko drums talaga. So nagda-drums ako ng konti. And then my cousin, yung mama niya, is piano teacher.
Nauna ka lang mag-shift kasi meron akong kilala din na drummer. Ngayon lang naging singer.
Si attorney.
May kilala din ako.
Yung tinitingnan ko ngayon.
Oo.
Sino yun? Si
yung kamukha mo,
Dustin.
yung kamukha mo, yung kamukha mo.
Dustin. Kamata.
And then, well, just so happened, met grade 6, so I started. So first year, second year, third year, bagan pwede na ba? Parang, we started a band.
Who was in the band?
Old Sacred Heart boys. Our guitarist is from Sacred Heart din, si Christian J. Lim, who happens to be an accountant.
No.
He's in Davao.
Oh.
So, but then, he was our guitarist, and then, well, Hector.
Hector?
Yeah,
Lantos?
No. Hector Cruz.
Hector Cruz.
Oh,
Idol.
Sacred Heart
Bless
pala
him,
siya.
bless him. Yeah, rest in peace. Hector Cruz was one of our drummers. Yeah.
Drummer siya.
Drummer siya.
Drummer?
Yeah. And then, ang may-ari ng Loud Trade dito, si Emerson.
Si Emerson. Sacred Heart din pala yun.
Yeah, rhythm guitarist namin.
For the information of everyone, kung makikita niyo yung sa geography, yung Sacred Heart, nasa Ticlaudio.
Oh.
Yung Progressive, nandun sa may
Sabang,
Anibong. Oo. Pero yung may kung sa Manila may U-belt, dito rin may U-belt.
Sa
Oo.
downtown.
Nakikita mo yung Tiwok,
Oo.
LNU, Leyte High, EBSU. Yun yung U-belt. Yun ang magkakatabi. Kami, yun ang nasa... Kaya when it comes to mga scenes, lagi nahuhuli kami kasi far apart kami.
Malayo.
Oo. Yun. So, sige.
So yun,
Nice.
so we are formed by 4 guys.
Ano pangalan ng band nyo?
Be Smooth.
Be-smooth.
It's a chemical element.
Be smooth.
Yeah, so
Okay.
nakita ko ba yung elements, pwede. So Be Smooth. And then we played definitely those days ng mga rock scene, mga grunge. And then, it so happened na sila Coins, ang Kulkog, they had a concert in UP grounds, yung lumang UP, which is Capitolio, DPWH here, yung lumang UP. So they had a concert, pangalan nun is No Pigs Allowed.
No pigs allowed.
So yung gitarista namin, nag-usap sila ni Coins, then nakapasok kami, nag-front ako. So doon, and then the intensity of playing live is different, masarap.
Kulkog is composed of coins.
Coins,
I think ko si Jeremy kasama ata yun, no?
yeah,
Jeremy Yu.
No. Jeremy is, mas iba na banda.
Iba yun.
Ang drummer nila si yung taga-Sagkahan, nakalimutan ko lang ang pangalan niya. Si Gerald.
Si Gerald.
And then, Doors and Alex and si Coins. And then bassist nila, yung taga-Manila. So, it was good, it was fun. And then, syempre, before Kulkog, actually, nanonood na ako kina Jerby. Crescent Moon, nagpa-practice sila sa likod ng RTR. And I think I was elementary back then, grade 5. So
alam niyo na kung... Anyway, tumitindi yung pag-uusap natin, mga kwentuhan natin tungkol sa...
At least nalalaman ko rin,
Oo.
yun nga, conversations like this na nalalaman mo yung yung mga past kung ano na parang
Kukonect-connect
nako-connect na eh. gusto nga rin interviewin ko si Quintin eh.
Oh,
Oo, si Quintin.
we played there. Next Turo-Turo. Yeah, we
Kasi
did.
for all you people out there, yung music scene ng Tacloban, yun nga, when it started out, yung unang place na tinutugtugan
Yeah, next Turo-Turo.
was next Turo-Turo. I visited that place, yung galing ako ng Manila. No? First time ko nakapunta doon. So gusto ko siya ma-interview din eh. Kasi may mga kwento rin yan na hindi ko rin alam eh. Napag-usapan namin dati ni si Father Gogo, si Jerby, tsaka si Bulingling. Kung how the scene started nung panahon nila. Siyempre, yung pinakauna ata yun si Jerby.
Sila Basyo, mga
Tapos
taga-Tanawan,
pumasok
Palo.
si Father Gogo, tapos si Bulingling.
Yeah.
Now, yung gusto naming i-link din, yung pre-Jerby time.
Yes, meron.
Yun.
Marami, meron.
Yun ang gusto ko rin malaman.
Yun na si ano.
Do you happen to know Peter De Harme?
Yun ang naririnig ko.
Peter De Harme, well, siyempre, damo pa, marami pa yung mga kaano niya. So,
Yan. Yan ang kwento ng musika ng Tacloban, mga katoks. Anyway, pag-uusapan natin yan lalo. Pero eto muna, may nanalo na. Sino nanalo? Si Nelito Bicoro Agus.
Si Nilito?
Oo, si Frank Sinatra.
Alam ko yung lahi niya, boss.
nice.
Ha?
Alam ko yung lahi niya.
Sino? Si Nilito?
Oo.
Bakit? Ano na yun?
Latino yan siya.
Latino? Bakit Latino?
Kasi nalito. Kabandayan niya, Ranis.
Mio!
Oo.
Basta yan ng...
Tama, yung nag-ano tayo dito, nag-dry run. Siya lang una.
Pumunta siya dito.
Congratulations, Nelito.
Nelito.
Message mo na lang yung KBOX Studios Facebook. I think nanalo na to dati. Paste mo na lang yung phone number. Bigyan ka namin ng load. Tsaka yung keychain, drop by ka na lang dito sa KBOX Studios, 4th floor, Esperos Built, Real Street. Alright, so ito muna.
We'll be right back.
Hold na. Okay, tuloy natin kwentuhan.
Yeah, we're still here with our
Yeah,
guest.
of course.
No other than
Mr.
Mr. Kojak Antig.
Hey, by the way, before anything else, thank you for inviting me.
Of
Boss.
course.
Thank you.
Sir Honor, pare.
Thank you.
Oo, Sir
Thank you.
Honor. Yun na nga, si Kojak, balikan natin. Siguro nag-meet na lang kami after Yolanda. Yun lang.
Ganda.
Pero siguro one time na tumugtog ako before ng Yolanda dun sa Juliet.
Nag-MC
Siya yung host pero we never had the chance to really talk kasi busy. So, yan, balikan natin yung ano, ang sarap ng kwentuhan natin. Kasi we're learning from Kojak yung history from his own point of view. So, yeah, experience niya. Kasi it's good to know yung mga ganun eh. Kasi yun ang nagpapaganda nung kung saan tayo nakatira. Kasi we know the history, yung
Paano
music
nagsimula.
scene, paano nagsimula. Kasi yun na nga, yung community or yung isang lugar is defined not by kung anong building nandun.
Yeah, I like that word.
Yeah. Kung anong culture yung nandun, yung music, yung arts, yung food, dun yung character eh. Dun nagseset
I
eh.
like the word you said, community, because
Yes.
everything starts on the ground level.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kaya this show is about people in the community.
Correct.
Yeah, we talk about their lives, their business, their music, their passion,
Yes.
and the thing that affects everyone.
Of course.
Because we're all connected. Parang naging ano ko ngayon ah.
Philosopher.
Benyo.
Connecting people.
Anyway, sige, balikan natin yung ano, yun ang high school.
High school.
So after high school,
Well, balikan ko lang ng konti ng high school
sige.
kasi it's not just about yung school natin. In other schools, there are a lot of bands as well.
oo.
I will name one, Black Sun. Nagkakasabay pa kami mag-practice doon sa may San Jose, sa may Rotunda. And then,
Saan yung unang praktisan?
yung na-practicean namin, yung sa may San Jose, may Rotunda, kung nasaan yung parang may sugbaan doon na restaurant ngayon. GSIS, di ba? Tapos may sugbaan na restaurant. Then yung may tubigan, may isang gate dyan papasok, atelier yan. Doon kami nagpa-practice, nandun yung mga sasakyan. One time, pumasok sila Jim Paul and si Premier, yung magaling na singer nila. So sila, technical talaga yun sila.
Si Premier Sulais.
Yeah,
Yan, arkitekto yan.
Yeah, magaling na si Jim Paul. Well,
Yeah, it's Jim Paul. What can you say?
Sino ba hindi nakakilala dyan?
Yung drummer nila, si Kim, magaling na drummer. And then nandyan si bassist nila, si
Si...
nasa Thailand na ngayon. So, yun, si Dominic ata yun, if I'm not mistaken.
Dominic.
Yung nasa Thailand na ngayon, yung Black Sun. So, imagine they're playing White Zombie. Kami Nirvana lang.
Bigat yun.
White Zombie sila. Pero, syempre may band competition pag edad mo is like 15, 14, 15.
That's usually the case.
And then, ang nagiging case is that taga-secret kayo, mapuputi lang kayo, mayayaman kayo. Kami taga-diwo sila, tapos taga-Holland Front.
Ganun ba? Ganun ba yung usap-usap?
Kami nag-usap-usap kami because ngayon, di ba, we are as a whole team na ngayon sa region. So maganda. Before was like, parang finding place and then saan kayo makakatugtog. Walang internet.
Correct. Mahirap.
Iba yung...
Yun ang masaya na part.
And when you master your craft before, I'm not saying na today, hindi okay. Okay naman kasi.
Pero it's easier now.
Easier.
Dati, there is a time na kung mabibilis yung metal, like I'm listening to Pantera, gusto namin yung lyrics ma-decipher. Stop play.
So kaibigan mo nun, lapis or ballpen.
And then pag maglilid ka, you have to have that note per note kung nasaan. May karaoke yun na pwede mong mapabagal yung
Tama.
So yun. That's how it all started before.
Yung ear training. Yun na yung ear training.
Ear training. So right na pag college, last time I played with Bismuth kasi magka-college na kami 96. 2 days kami nag-concert kami sa Calbayog. Kami lang nang gumawa. So 2 days, I even have the poster for it.
So kayo nag-organize sa Calbayog?
Yeah, kami sa Calbayog
nice.
for 2 days. And then after that, wala. So 96 until 2003, wala akong band. But I continue playing. Nasa Manila kasi ako nun.
So kumusta yung dun? Manila scene naman?
Actually, classmate ko yung isang, basta ewan ko kung totoo, taga-Greyhounds daw siya kasi sikat man yung dati yung Greyhounds pa. And then I like Greyhounds. So, Kaya just so happen na bumalik na ako dito ba. Pero kung nagtagal-tagal ako doon, baka yes man. But everywhere I go, kasi nasa dugo na natin yung music, di mo talaga mawawala yung hawak ka ng gitara, you hamat yun.
Yung sinasabi na Makati.
Yeah, and then you write the lyrics or isisave mo sa cellphone mo yung tune. So, pag college ko, dito na, balik ako 2002 dito sa Tacloban. Then, nag-enroll ako sa AMA. Yung AMA in front pa of Asian.
Tama.
Hindi kami naka-uniform, mga brugits ba? And then, nag-classmate kami ng 5 season. Si Carl, bassist, si Carl, tsaka si Hector. Bagong balik from Cebu.
So doon nabuo yung?
Doon, nagkita kami ni Hector. Initially kami ni Hector, may connect man kami. Sabi ko sa kanya, ito, pagbanda kita, kung bagawin na rin ito, ano man. So, we formed Happy Hunting Grounds kami.
So that's 2002.
Kayo pala
2002 to 2003.
So si Hector was a member, the original member of Happy Hunting.
As a matter of fact, his tune, didinig niyo sa Shiver, yung recording ng intro ng clacking, sa kanya yun. Tsaka yung nag-harmonics, vibrating.
Hindi nyo alam yun
Si Hector.
Hindi nyo alam yan.
So yan yung power of recording. So, kaya
immortalize.
Kung gusto nyo mag-record, i-record nyo dito na sa KBOX Studio.
Yan.
Salamat pare. Pero tama yung sinasabi ni Parang Kojak na kung gusto niyo na you will be remembered by kung yun. If you have a song or i-record nyo kahit sa cellphone o kahit para at least yung yung generations to come would really know na gaano ka gagaling o kung ano yung passion mo nun dati, di ba?
I-continue ko lang yung happy ha.
Yes.
Sabi ni Hector, nakilala ako, mga 5 season. Mga sikat na yun that time.
Oh.
Grabe, 5 season. Pero alam ko na yung pangalan nila. Sige. Tapos na-meet ko si Al, yung drummer, tsaka si
Si
Kurt.
attorney.
Oo, attorney, nagka-counter-strike. Oy,
Hindi siya pumapasok.
nagka-counter-strike. Sabi ko, oy, sige. Ala, may nag-usap kami. And then, taga-ama ako, nagkaroon ng acquaintance. Doon yung una naming
Gig.
yung happy.
Sila sino kayo? Ikaw.
Si Carl.
Carl bassist,
Si
drummer
Al.
si Al.
Si Carl
Si
Lux.
Hector.
Si Hector yung gitarista, ako yung vocalist. So, yun. Yan, nagpra-practice kami sa taas. Tapos, doon pumasok si Bunay.
Si Guitar Panda yan.
Kasi ibang banda si Bunay.
Nasaan? Anong banda yung...
Sa Ama banda ata.
Ama band?
And then nakita niya kami nagpra-practice. Parang ginanahan ata.
Sumali.
Sumali.
Siya na yung... Tsaka si Hector.
Oo. Yan yung happy hunting.
Powerhouse.
Oo.
Powerhouse.
Happy hunting.
Si Bunay nga lang, matindi eh.
Oo. Power din eh.
Sinamahan pa ni Hector.
Si Hector, hindi
Hector,
na.
oh.
Sinamahan pa ni
Sinamahan
Bunay.
Binunayan pa.
Hindi, tingnan mo yung dalawang, yung style ng dalawang...
Magkaiba.
Magkaiba, ha? Pero it complements kasi yung isa, ambient naman yung sa kanya eh, yung
Hector.
delay. Si Bunay naman, yung
Technical
power,
shredder,
yung
no?
shredder, tsaka...
Yung buna yung nakapantay.
Parang sisig, masarap na.
Binunayan.
Ba't napunta doon?
Galing ng analogy niya, ano?
Nagpantay na dahil sa bunay.
Sige. Then tutuloy yung kwento ni
Yeah.
pare.
First live gig ng Happy.
Acquaintance.
Yeah, acquaintance. And then first live outdoor gig with Bunay. Doon na kami sa MacArthur, Leyte Landing na.
Okay.
That was 2003.
Palo.
That's it. Yun na yun. And then so on and so forth.
Yun palang kwento ng Happy Hunting Grounds. Speaking of Happy Hunting Grounds, yung trivia kanina, yung nanalo, si ano? Si Bunay.
Si Bunay.
Si Bunay!
Oo.
Mr. Big.
Mr. Big.
Nagkikita
Ay, okay.
Ah.
Favorite band yan
Oh,
yun.
favorite. Influence yan ni Kojak. Paborito din yan yung Bunay. Congratulations, Guitar Panday.
Yeah, if you wanna check out Bunay,
Oh.
he was here last week.
Last week.
Yes,
Yan.
Tuesday. I think Tuesday na
Guest namin yan.
guest.
By the way, I was so happy I got my Telecaster na copy ba? Well, repair ni Bunay.
Guitar Panday.
Solid pag gumawa, pag mag-repair.
We're actually, yung Regionators, very fortunate enough
Yeah.
na there's
Dito
someone
Yes.
who repairs guitars
Stores.
and
Restore.
restore. Kasi, for the longest time,
Wala.
kung may sira nung Thailand gumagawa
Nilihaan lang, liha lang.
oh,
Actually, siya lang.
siya. Oh.
Siya lang.
There was once dun
Oh,
sa
Guitar shop?
guitar shop, pero
Pero-
ngayon wala na, di ba?
Ngayon, parang siya na lang. Yun nga, galing.
Galing nga.
Galing. Naging guest namin yan. Gusto daw mag-guest ulit.
Pero sabi niya kasi I invited him.
Yeah.
There was supposed to be yung Sirak Festival
Oh.
noong April, and what we did was there was this bago nung festival. There's this parang open house jam.
KBOX open house.
So we invited, yun na nga, kasi parang
Mga
we
mentors.
wanted na makaugat dun sa mga young musicians, at saka din may mga older musicians din na ano yung makukuha after nung festival eh. Kasi parang tugtugan lang eh. Yun lang. Pero mas maganda sana yung may ma-share. Mahabilin.
Parang clinic. Gusto mo?
Yes, that was the
Parang
one.
clinic.
That was a parang there was a guitar workshop,
Yan.
Painting, bass,
bass
drums.
clinic, drums, songwriting, which
Oo.
invite nga namin si Manu Marlon yan eh.
Oh.
No.
There was supposed to be that. I think it was supposed to be
April 30,
yeah,
31,
April 31, May 1. Pero yun nga, nangyari to. So hopefully next
By the way,
year.
si Sir Marlon,
Yes, nanonood.
he is so instrumental to me. Naging feature siya sa Sacred Heart.
Correct.
Oh, no, hindi na ako maabot nun.
And then I was looking at him, the way he the way he plays the guitar, kakanta ka, di niya alam yung chords. I was fascinated.
Susundan ka lang
Yeah,
niya.
I was fascinated with that. And yun, he's so instrumental to me musically.
Oh, actually, in-invite ko na nga si Mano Marlon na
Nanonood siya
na
ngayon.
mag-guest
Sa mga-
kaso nga lang, he had to attend
He's
yung nangyari sa oras.
He's so instrumental to me. So every
Oo.
time nagkikita kami,
Yeah, when we were actually parang nagwagawa ng mga programs para sa KBOX.
I saw your gig with Sir Marlon, yung waray-waray ba?
Siday.
Oh, yun.
Consider.
Ano yan? Impromptu yan.
Yeah, that was good. That was good.
Because we have, actually that song was, may partner na magrarap. But hindi naman, walang available na magrarap nun eh. So I had to improvise, yeah. And
But I like the beat ba? Yung parang my heart.
3/4.
Tapos,
ang galing nga eh.
tinatay mo,
Galing
yeah.
na yung ginawa ni Mano Marlon eh.
And that was your new song.
Yeah, that was my song.
Yeah.
Yung About Ilan din eh.
Yeah.
Pero meron ginawa din ako sa COVID pero nakakatakot yun. Nakakatakot yung sound pero sa susunod. I think also din si Kojak may ginawa
Meron
din
din yan.
Meron din yan.
Not just me, I think all of the artists na
Yes.
nag-experience ng lockdown, maraming kanta ngayon. They are really waiting. Sana makatugtog na sa Cerebro. I just want to commend you. Thank you so much. Pag walang Cerebro, I don't know kung saan kami tutugtog.
Sana meron din magtayo na iba. Pero we're just doing our part.
Yeah.
In my own way.
The thing you're saying, community.
So,
Yes.
kasi ano eh, hindi naman sabihin na talagang nagsimula sa akin. No, I'm just continuing.
Yeah,
Yun lang. Kasi in a musician circle of life,
exactly.
hindi pwede na walang tutugtugan eh.
Oo,
Correct.
yung continue the flame,
The flow.
yung flame, yung fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
May practice pero walang tutugtugan. So there's a
And then,
disconnect.
I'm not just saying about rock, ha? I'm even saying hip-hop. I also like hip-hop.
Yeah.
of course.
Lalo na pag nagdra-drums, yung trip-hop. I like those stuff. And then yung mga bagong electronics ngayon, I like those stuff. Yung may loop lang, maganda yun.
Yun nga.
Tulad
As
ng
a matter of
guest
fact,
natin.
in-invite ko yung hip-hop community na
Yeah.
we can help you.
La
Just
I miss La Familia,
Yes.
their strength, kung paano sila nagano.
10K.
yung guest dito, yung sa Copon, yung
Oo, galing na rapper yan.
si ano yan,
Tagapalo.
si Lemo, Nate. Yun ang ano yun sa Facebook.
Si Kyle yun, si
si
Kyle.
Kyle.
Kyle, galing na rapper. Mabilis ang-
Kung ano mo, talagang on point lagi.
Oo.
Parang naka-metronome, tadadadadadadad, yung gano'n.
Galing, oo.
Iba talaga yung ano.
And then syempre, yung music, there's no boundaries. Para sa akin, walang classification.
Correct.
I don't want to even say na ano ka, glam rock ka, ano ka. But kailangan man. Just to differentiate.
Define lang sa...
At saka
sa
kung
tunog
ano,
lang, I
kung
think.
maano nyo, yung KBOX, kaya medyo nag-spread yung kung ano yung sinusuportahan. Dahil hindi naman sabihin na gusto namin sanggapan, yung lahat.
Wala. Wala.
Hindi, gusto namin din matuto din.
Variety.
Actually, it's gano'n eh. Gusto namin matuto rin. Yung sa theater,
Yeah,
yun.
you were once a theater. I know, sa theater kid.
What mo sinabi?
Kaya pala.
Kaya pala.
I saw you there. I saw you. Uy! Go.
That's another. Pero it was a good experience.
Yes, even me gusto ko nga mag
Good experience. Kaya, yun
Kakaiba.
sila,
Kakaibang-
Sir Joel yan siya. Yun, tumutulong kami. Hindi namin yung gusto namin sanggapan ng lahat. Pero gusto namin matuto. Yun sa piano. Si Sir Leoncio Labia. Sila Charis Dumlao. Yan,
Charis Dumlao was in...
she's in Switzerland. Pero, bumuwi rin siya dito.
Sino yung partner mo? Yung nagkakanta
Oh,
ka?
kasi gusto niya...
Siya
gusto
yung partner
niya-
mo, di ba?
Hindi. Pero gusto partner siya.
Yung sa Sacred Heart ba? Yung kumakanta?
Ah, hindi. Yung si Patricia yun.
Ay, si Patricia!
Patricia Alid. Di ko makalimutan
si
yun. Ano yun, ha? Miss Leyte.
Wow. Kitalas pa ba din?
I think she was No. The second ata. Kasi yung first, not from Sacred Heart. Kasi nagkaroon ng mga beauty queen yung Sacred Heart. Sunod-sunod yun eh. Isa dun sa classmate ko, si Irene Mulabola. Sa panahon mo, mayroon din na gano'n, sumali.
Wala na, yung
Wala
sa
na.
mga panahon nyo lang yung matindi.
Yan, si Patricia Allen, beauty queen yan talaga.
Iba talaga
Pero,
mga partners.
pag marinig nyo kumanta to,
Di, ito. Mamaya.
Mamaya, maririnig na yan.
Mamaya.
Alright, anyway, mga kapatid, ang bilis ng oras. Pasumin muna, pasumin. Alright, yan. Hila. Hila muna, pahila. Yan.
Okay.
So maraming salamat sa mga katoks natin.
Yung mga sumali sa trivia.
Oo, nung una load lang, merong keychain na. Baka bukas may
May
t-shirt
kina.
yan. Hindi nyo alam, ha?
Bukas may kina.
Paminsan-minsan kung maganda yung araw natin.
Baka may susunod, baka may t-shirt na yan. Baka may
Oo.
sombrero.
Okay.
Hindi nyo alam, sunod pag nag-sponsor yung yung Toto.
Wait, siya nga pala.
Kotse na.
Next week pare, may guest tayo na
Oo.
Interesting din.
Oo, very interesting. Tsaka watch out yung mga guest pa namin within this week.
Yeah.
Oo, lalo na pag Sabado.
yan, bukas si Manigo.
Bukas si Manigo.
Yung marami nagtatanong kung anong gagawin ni Manny.
Oo. Alam mo yun.
Oo, alam ko yun. Sabi ko, kakanta siya. Kakanta siya. Yun, hindi siya yung hobbyist lang siya, yung mas dart. Pero hindi, talagang sineryoso niya yung darts. Pero yung creative side niya, yung artist side niya,
You know, actually, parang bago lang ako balik sa Tacloban. Just very quick, I just want to share sa community. Kasi I've been out of Tacloban for a very long time, but every year nandito ako, but for a short span of time. But every time nandito ako, vibrant yung music scene, not just the music scene, yung art and community. I would always want to put
stress out.
sa community kasi again, everything starts from the ground level ba. You don't go up, you start here, they go up.
Oo, kahit hindi tayo pinapansin ng app, pero consistent.
Yeah, consistent.
Yes.
So thank you to you, ha?
Yeah, man.
Thank you to you.
Of course.
Yung sabi pa nga ni Rex, ganun eh.
Nagano'n daw.
Ganun daw muna. Alright, so maraming salamat ulit mga katoks. Pahila muna, alright. Of course, yung soundcheck hindi magiging posible kung wala mga major sponsors natin. Of course, Soundcheck is powered by KBOX Studios. Major sponsors namin ang Speras Construction and Development Corporation, Cerebro, Mega Crest Waters, and of course, this show is also brought to you by Uncle Joe's Car Rental Tacloban and Iloilo. Meron na tayo doon, alright.
Pwede na tayo pumasyal sa Iloilo.
And of course, Food Quest, Guitar Panday, Pulutan Hits, Roadside Blues Diners, and Otabea.
Parami ng parami, ah.
Oo.
Of
Pero
course.
dapat pagdating sa Pulutan Hits.
Oh, Pulutan Hits. Oh, at saka dadami pa yan, sponsor.
Dadami pa yan.
Dadami pa yan, alright.
Susunod yung Juanitos.
Yo, o diba?
Sinabi ko na.
Susunod yan.
By Prince, sinabi ko na.
Susunod nyo, mga Nike and t-shirt, mga ganyan. Di natin alam. Pero, of course, we're doing this to give you entertainment kasi yun lang ang may bibigay namin. Entertainment, information. Para at least ma-minimize naman natin yung hirap ng pandemic.
Yes.
Depression.
Alright, so, eto na! Magbabalik kami sa makalipas lang ng patalastas.
Stay tuned for Kojak's performance.
Tugtog.
Yeah.
Si Kojak.